SuperHands. Science.
Hello, SuperHands! Looks like we're back in the SuperHands Science Lab again. What cool science thing are we going to learn about today? Hey, that little fluffy ball came out of nowhere. Oh no, another one? Take cover, SuperHands! I think we're under attack! Jeez Louise, I should have known it was you, SuperHands. You got me again. What's that cool looking toy you got there? It's a catapult? And a catapult is a type of simple machine called a lever. Awesome! It's a catapult lever! What's that, SuperHands? Levers are machines or tools that help us do stuff that's too hard to do on our own? Ooh, interesting. Tell me more, please. Levers help us do work like pumping oil out of the ground or moving heavy objects. And levers also let us have fun like playing at the park on a teeter-totter. Wow! I know what those are. And you probably use levers in some of your favorite video games to get points and defeat bad guys. But how does a lever work, SuperHands? You need 3 things to make a lever that can be used as a catapult? The first part is called the lever arm. I see. That's where you put the little ball. And that bundle of sticks is the second part? It's called a fulcrum? I've never heard that word before. Fulcrum, fulcrum for science. Oh, sorry, SuperHands. Got carried away there. That science word is so much fun to say. What's the third thing we need to make a catapult lever work? Your finger? That's right! You need to use your finger to press down on the catapult lever's arm. This creates a downward force that bends the arm over the fulcrum. And when you let go, the lever's arm launches the little ball into the air. So cool! And what are we going to need to do that? Colored pens, wood sticks, rubber bands, and a plastic spoon. Ta-da! Step 1, let's paint the sticks. With your colored markers, paint 3 sticks. Do each one with a different color. Use a black marker to outline the stick and make it extra awesome, like this. Don't forget to do this for the other sticks, too. Step 2, let's put the sticks together. Choose 4 different colored sticks and stack them together into a bundle. Next, take a rubber band and wrap it around one end of your bundle of sticks like this. Now we want to do the same thing with another rubber band on the other side. If you need help, ask a grown-up. All right! Now let's take the 2 remaining sticks and place them over and under the bundle of sticks like this to make the letter X. The middle rubber band should also look like the letter X after you're done wrapping it around. Do it until the sticks aren't loose anymore, like this. Next, take one more rubber band and wrap it around the end of your top and bottom sticks at the end. Step 3, let's finish the catapult. Now we have to attach our spoon to the catapult lever's arm. Stick the bottom of your spoon through the middle rubber band like this. Now take your last rubber band and wrap it around the top of the spoon. Always remember, if you need help, ask a grown-up. And it's done! Now you know how to make your very own catapult lever. And guess what? You can use this catapult lever to play games with your friends. Bonus! I'm telling you, science is so much fun! And guess what else? There are different kinds of levers all around that you use every day. Now that you know how a lever works, can you find other objects or tools that are levers in your classroom or house? Well, that's all the science for today. Thanks, SuperHands, and thank you for watching. Did you like this video? Watch new episodes of SuperHands every Friday. And download the Play Kids app to have this and much more on your smartphone.